So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how to delete your Whatnot account. So first of all, you will need to download the app on your mobile device. From there, open the Whatnot account, set it up. You will need to log into the account you want to delete. At the bottom you can see home, categories, cell, activity, and your account. Now in order to delete it, you will need to go to your profile, so your account on here, and you can see under preferences, which will be at the first part of this page. So you can see it all the way to the bottom right here, the settings icon. Click on the preferences and you can see here direct messages are on, enable private entry, display rewards, club status, activity status, sync contacts. So you can see suggest account to others, auction start, haptic feedback, and you can see under account management all the way down, delete account. Click on that. Through here, you're going to be taken to the web version of the app. Since it's required to be verified, you can choose a reason for deleting the account. So concerned about data, want to remove something, duplicate account, too many notifications, privacy concerns, and so on. So there's a few things you can put in. If you feel you want to actually make it more precise why you are deleting it, you can type out tell us more and then explain your entire situation. After that, click on permanently delete account. After you've typed out a reason, you can see here, are you sure you want to permanently delete your account? This action cannot be reverted. You click on OK, and you will see here the prompt. If you've initiated your request to delete your account, you can close that, and that will be it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Whatnot or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.